Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix a golf slice with your driver. First, let's check your grip. A common cause of a slice is a weak grip. Make sure you can see 2 to 3 knuckles on your lead hand. Your trail hand should comfortably cover your lead thumb. This small adjustment can significantly impact your club face control and help you hit straighter shots. Next, let's refine your setup. For a driver, place the ball off the heel of your lead foot. This allows for an upward strike. Also, ensure your shoulders are aimed slightly right of your target if you're a right-handed golfer. This promotes an inside-out swing path, which is crucial for eliminating that pesky slice. A good setup sets the stage for a powerful, straight drive. Now, let's tackle the swing path. A slice often comes from an outside-in path. Instead, focus on swinging from the inside out. Imagine your club head approaching the ball from slightly behind you, moving towards the target. This helps you deliver the club face squarely or even slightly closed at impact, turning that slice into a powerful draw. Practice this feeling with slow swings. Finally, a strong finish is key. Make sure your chest is facing the target and you're balanced on your lead foot. This indicates a complete rotation and proper weight transfer. Remember, fixing a slice takes consistent practice. Dedicate just a few minutes each day to these adjustments, and you'll see significant improvement in your driver shots. Keep swinging and enjoy the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.